Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today we're going to talk about how to acknowledge the opposition in your essay. But before I do that, I just want to go through what I'm thinking in terms of this week and what I'd like for you to do. We're going through each part of the essay one at a time. So at the end of this unit, you're going to write a 6-paragraph essay based on what we've gone over. There's going to be the first paragraph is going to be your introduction, followed by 3 body paragraphs. That's what we've covered so far. Okay. Then your fourth body paragraph is going to be an acknowledgement of the opposition, which is what we're going to talk about today. And then your sixth body paragraph is going to be the conclusion. Okay. So again, this is all going to come together in a 6-paragraph essay, which I'll probably have you guys start drafting towards the middle of the week, in which you have an introduction, 3 body paragraphs on your side, a 4th body paragraph acknowledging the opposition, and then a conclusion. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we acknowledge the opposition? Let's go through. Okay, so what does the term opposition counterclaim mean? Okay, the opposition, think of the word opposite, right? Are the people who think the opposite of you. So if you think self-driving cars should replace human drivers, the opposition would be the people who think that self-driving cars should not replace human drivers. If you think that pets should be allowed in the workplace, the opposition are the people that think the opposite of you. So think about when you get into an argument with someone. There's always 2 sides to that argument, okay? And there's always an opposition. There's always someone that believes different than what you believe, okay? So in an argumentative paper, in an essay, okay, a good claim distinguishes itself from counterclaims. And what that really means, a good claim is your thesis, right? And how is it different? How is it correct, right? When you think about the counterclaims, right? How does it prove the opposition wrong, okay? So in order to argue effectively in an essay and in person, you have to show that there are 2 sides to the argument and why the other side, the opposition, is wrong. Okay? Think about if you're in an argument with someone. You have to disprove them, right? You want to show that they're wrong, right? An argument wouldn't be an argument without 2 sides, okay? So in an essay, the way that it typically goes, and you don't have to do it this way. Some people like to get it out of the way in the first body paragraph, but I think it's easiest to do your 3 body paragraphs and then address the opposition in the last body paragraph of your essay. Okay? So you're going to acknowledge what people who disagree with you say with evidence from your sources, then prove them wrong with more evidence from your sources. Okay? So again, you're going to acknowledge what people who disagree with you say, right? With evidence. Remember, this is a source-based argument. So all of your evidence, all of your ideas is coming from that packet that I gave you. Okay? Then you're going to prove them wrong with evidence from your sources. Okay? So you're going to start with a topic sentence that tells the reader what the other side thinks. Okay? So many people believe that pets in the workplace reduce stress. However, pets in the workplace are a problem because, okay? Some may argue that self-driving cars should replace human drivers because they are safer than human drivers. However, this is wrong because, right? That's what the acknowledging the opposition does, okay? So in the next few sentences, after your topic sentence, you transition into proving them wrong. This is called the rebuttal. So this is when you're going back at someone. Imagine you're in an argument. They're saying one thing, you're saying, no, you're wrong because blank. That's the rebuttal, right? Oops, sorry. Okay, so phrases to use when transitioning to your side. Despite what people believe, they are wrong because. Even though people think blank, this is not true because, right? That's how you transition from saying, hey, this is what people think, but they're not right, okay? People who believe that self-driving cars should replace human drivers are wrong because blank, okay? So here's an example of a paragraph that does this. Again, we're working off of that model graffiti essay. Okay? Many people believe that graffiti should just be left alone, that if cities stopped trying to remove it, they would evolve into something beautiful. Okay, so this is acknowledging the other side. This, however, is wrong because the evidence clearly shows that an increase in this kind of vandalism translates to more crime as a whole. How beautiful graffiti looks is irrelevant and does not erase the problems that come with it. Okay, so again, acknowledging the other side, right? And then going into your side, proving them wrong. Okay, so what I would like you to do today is to practice doing exactly this. Okay, so you're going to write a practice topic sentence for addressing the opposition. You're going to write a practice topic sentence that looks like this. Okay, then you're going to prove them wrong. Okay, you're going to transition into this, however, is wrong. This is not true because, and then you're going to go into your side. Okay, so you're going to start again practicing acknowledging the opposition. So let's say you're doing pets should be allowed in the workplace. Okay, that's your prompt, that's your thesis. Remember, the opposition acknowledging the opposite. So you would say something like this. Many people believe that pets should not be allowed in the workplace because they cause a mess and they disrupt daily work, the daily work environment, right? This, however, is wrong because the evidence clearly shows that pets at work increase productivity, blah, 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 right? You go into your side, okay? So that's what I want you to do. You're going to practice doing exactly this, okay? And you're going to post that on Google Question, okay? Um, any questions, please reach out to me, okay? I'm here for you. Anything that you need. If you're having trouble keeping up with the work, please stay in touch. I will do my best to answer any questions that you have online, okay? And I hope that you're all happy and healthy. Have a wonderful day.